Hi friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And friend, today's video we are going to discuss about different type of sources to learn English. Friend, basically nowadays we don't need to join any coaching classes to improve our English speaking. Okay, there are so many sources on mobile, on online. We can improve our English on that basis. Then friend, today's video we are going discuss about that sources, which type of sources, on that basis we can improve our English. Okay, then friend, let's listen. Best of the first source, most important source is apps. Okay, if you want to start your English speaking, then first friend, you have to speak. Without speaking, nothing will not happen. Then first you have to go on your Play Store. There are so many English speaking apps that through, for example, English speaking. Okay, here is logo. You can go download these apps and start to speak your English. There are so many people with other state or other country people. With them you can speak because that person is unknown. You can speak anything with them. Okay, but what happen if you are start your with your local friend, that time you will hesitate. That's why to go that apps and download or and start to speak something with them, automatically your speaking confidence will be boosted. Okay, there are so many apps like this English speaking. And another things is a WhatsApp. Okay, in nowadays there are so many WhatsApp group. Okay, those people are interested, they want to improve their English speaking, they are in that group. Okay, if you want to join like this group, I want to suggest you, there are on YouTube there are so many English speaker group. They put their WhatsApp group link in their description box. Okay, like this also in our video there are, I also create one WhatsApp group. You can also join that group and start to your speaking. You will get too many people to speak. You can make a good friendship with them and start to speak speak with them. Okay, then another thing is friend, after these apps, same apps also available for games. Okay, most of students are too much interested to play game. Okay, and with same basis at improve grammar, vocabulary, there are so many games on that basis. You can also download that apps. It's also available on Play Store. Right now I am not recognize its name, but if you will search on Play Store the games about improve English, automatically that's apps you will get. Okay, and another things friend, also Instagram. Most of people in a day scroll Instagram too much time in a day. Okay, on that basis you can also join. There are so many groups, there are so many on the they that group make a page, the on the basis of phrases, new vocabulary, different type. You can also search on also Instagram so about English speaking group. There are so many so many fabulous group over there. Okay, you have to join that also. And another thing is YouTube. Okay, YouTube is also matter friend. These things also matter. If you want to good speaker, you first of all you should become good listener. That's why on the through YouTube you have to listen too much content, English content in English. Okay, that's why there are every day you have to merge in to listen news every day. There are India TV and RH TV, Rajya Sabha TV. There are so many English news channel. You have to listen every day. And another thing, also some podcast also over there. You have to listen. You have to listen some interview. And also another one interesting thing, that is you have to also listen English song. Okay, that will also make too much interesting for you. Okay, these are so many different type of sources are available, and also some also offline sources you can also create, like this group discussion with your local friend. It is also most important. and write some essay on a particular topic on every day. This is also most important things. Okay, if friend, this thing if you will do every day, automatically your English will be improved. I will give you guarantee. If every day you will do, and the for this thing you don't have to do too many time. Okay, the learning English is the most important funda is a practice English every single day. Okay, if every single day if you will practice, the automatically your English will be improved. English will not improve within 2 days, 3 days, within months, 1 or 2 months. Okay, it will take a time, and on everyday basis you have to learn it, listen it, read it, and write it. Automatically your English will be improved. Don't hesitate at the starting point. Most of people hesitate, and they cannot they give up. Don't give up. Let's speak. And most important things I tell you on every video, just try to think in English little bit. Okay, it's difficult at the starting point, but if you will try every day, automatically it will habitual for you. Okay, then friend, if you like my today's video advice, the different way of sources to improve your English, then let's subscribe my channel and watch my video every day. And every day video I will try to give you something about English. Okay, thank you so much, and so see you tomorrow video. Bye bye.